gotta go like that.
Yeah.
The sun's coming back.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm just gonna edit out the sound. Oh, I'm not supposed to be moving. Dang it.
You guys both have to do I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna get them. I'll make them look bad. In game, no, Jaim's not that good. You got fucked up blade. Oh, yeah. Great.
They left now. Like, I'm starving and I don't want to be here. I hate being here.
I got voice distraction. Tesla, right? Yeah, I guess.
I see.
How's that even work?
Just go. I don't know. I can't. All right, go. Go this way. No, not that way.
It's electric. There's no gas.
Hey, Nick, can you go around, please? Can you go around? Thank you. I can't see you. Oh my. What are you doing?
Bro, you know they.
Oh my.
Where do you just put no sound?
Just do it at home, bro.
No, I have to do it. I don't want to do it.
You know what I'm doing? I'm doing this guy right here.
See? I could just take out all the sound. Shut up.
Yeah,
Fight.
you're gonna beat you out one day.
Joseph cannot fight.
He's gonna beat you up. You gonna beat him up? What? You gonna beat him up?
Oh, is that JT's brother? Is that JT's brother?
Yeah.
He cannot fight. All right.